As you can see today, we've got a bit of work to do. So I wanted to run you through my Discovery. This is a Discovery 2 on 35s with offset wheels. It has no lift and everything is stock. But because it's stock, it sits lower and it has just enough articulation to do everything it needs on the farm. Let me show you what I mean. So inside, I've kind of gutted it. I had to override the alarm system and the immobilizer. I have a video on that. I'll put that into the description if you guys are interested. And on my gear stick, I have a setting from a Shimano racing bike, old Shimano racing bike, which I can control the throttle without me using my foot. So I can actually set it to a certain rev, leave it there, work the clutch until I get over my obstacle, and then drop it again to the normal idle rev. So let me quickly start up the engine. Put it in neutral, and without me touching my foot, I'm going to just keep my foot off the accelerator for now. I can control the revs with this lever. Perfect. So if I want to go over an obstacle, I can just rev it a little bit, like slightly, and then use that rev to get over the obstacle. And as soon as I'm over the obstacle, I can drop it and it will just shudder over the rest of the obstacle. There we go. And I'm done with that piece. Letting it roll back. Revving it up again. Now I don't have to worry about clutch or anything, I just let the brakes go and it just does everything by itself. There we go. So we had a couple of storms and I've got my work cut out for me today to clean up so that we can actually get our normal cars through the area and to get them in and out of the farm. But I'm just going to film a couple of nice, interesting spots that we're going to take the truck through, and you can actually see how difficult it is to maneuver through this farm. This is probably one of the difficult parts to get through, but it's just one of them. existing rock sliders. Basically my aim is to get the side of the truck just next to the peak. And there we go. So basically I'm trying to keep it away from that peak. Just running it next to it. Little left turn. Should be good. There we go. So that's my pro line. Now I need to get my back tire centered on that peak. About there, perfect. And drop it off slowly so we don't break the petrol tank. There we go. And we keep rolling. Is stuck under here. There's no way to get it out without me breaking my back. I'm going to try and see if I can get my front tire onto this area, push this log a little bit with the truck into the hole. Maybe I'm able to lift it to get my rope out. I'm good. Yes. That was just enough lift to get it out. And now, we chop it up. You obviously saw my truck is gashing water out onto the front tire, and basically I can run this truck for about 12 minutes max, and if I go into the 20 minutes, this is kind of what happens. Seeing that we had a lot of work to do, I overdid it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.